everybody, welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got a gorgeous, easy spring tutorial to share with you. I'm going to show you how you can create these really cool butterflies. These are fabric butterflies. You can glue them to sticks to create floral picks like I've done in this gorgeous spring bouquet. You can attach them to cut flowers or silk flowers, and you can even add them to package tie-ons. I also think these would be super cute as hair bows. So easy to make. We're using fabric Mod Podge, and 2 different size of bowls. It's so simple. Let's dive into the tutorial. I'm starting with 2 different size bowls, lightweight 100% cotton fabric and fabric Mod Podge. I'm going to turn my fabric so that the print side is down, and then I'm going to place my bowls there and trace around them with a pencil. You're going to need 1 large and 1 medium-sized circle for each butterfly. You can size the butterfly up and down just by changing out the size of the circle that you trace. For larger ones, you could use a plate. For smaller ones, you could use a lid. Then go ahead and cut out both of those circles. For each butterfly, you're going to need 2 circles. I'm adding wax paper to my work surface, and I'm going to paint the fabric formula of Mod Podge onto half of my circle. I'm going to repeat this process for each circle. I'm doing a nice thick coat, and you want to make sure you get the edges really well. You only need to do this on half because we're going to flip the other side up and glue those sides together. So now you have a little crescent or a half moon shape. But the print is on both sides, which makes this butterfly project really pretty no matter which way your centerpiece is facing. Now let's do that same technique on the smaller circle, and now you can see we have our 2 little half moons. Next, once it's dry, I'm going ahead and trimming around the edge. It's hard to get a perfect fold and a perfect circle, and that will give you a nice finished look. Then we're going to just pre-pinch it in the center, and we're going to do this on both pieces. And you can see how flexible the fabric Mod Podge is when it's dry. You still have a lot of flexibility with it, making it a great glue for this project. You can see the butterfly shape taking form. And now we're going to attach the whole thing together using a pipe cleaner. For this spring look, I'm using a white pipe cleaner, but you could easily use black or brown. I'm folding it in half to make a little U shape there. And then we're going to place that pipe cleaner around the center pleated section of our fabric circles to create that butterfly shape. So you just loop it through both pieces, and then we're just going to twist it at the top to secure it, and then I'll wrap the pieces around, one going one direction, the other going the other direction, and that will create our little antennas. I told you this was a simple project. It's so easy to put together. This is a great thing to do with kids even. Now let's just give it a twist at the top to secure. And then I'm going to use a toothpick to go ahead and create a little curved loop at the top. We'll roll that back a little bit. And you could leave it just as is if you wish, but I'm going to glue a little pearlized embellishment there just to give it a little bit of a spring bling, let's say. So you can see I've got my little pearl embellishments there, and I'm just going to attach those with some hot glue. You can make these in so many different colors. Let's take a look at what these all look like. Such gorgeous colors, and these are going to look so great in our little spring bouquet. So to create the picks, if you want to use them for floral design, just add a little hot glue, and then you can buy these sticks at the floral department at the craft store, or you could use some bamboo skewers from the kitchen department. For this one, the green wasn't really matching my bouquet colors, so I'm going to go ahead and use a little floral tape on it. You want to stretch to activate the tape, and then I'm going to just wrap that around that stick. You would do that same technique with a bamboo skewer. Then it's as easy as just pushing it right into your floral arrangement. Now for this, I'm going to hot glue one right onto the front of our container here. And look how cute this is. I just love it. All of the different colors of the butterflies. You can put them in at different heights. You can glue and layer them on top of each other, just like I did here. They're great for package tie-ons, and they look so sweet just around a bouquet of flowers. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this project has inspired you to think about what you can do with some of those pieces of fabric that you might have. I absolutely love how these butterflies turn out. So many different project ideas that you can do with them. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.